Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So in this video, I would like to explain about the final setting time of cement. So how to determine the final setting time of cement. So already in the previous video, I have explained how to determine the initial setting time of cement. So this is continuation of that. So final setting time of cement. So how to determine the final setting time of cement, or how to perform the test for the final setting time of cement, and what is meant by final setting time of cement. So the aim is to determine the final setting time for the given sample of cement. So we need to find out the final setting time for the given sample of cement. So the apparatus required, the Vickett apparatus, and with all attachments, balance, weights, gauging trowel, stopwatch, so etc. And the theory is that the final setting time of cement is the time elapsed between the moment the water is added to the cement and the time when the paste has completely lost its plasticity. So it is the time between when water is added to cement and to the time when the paste has completely lost its plasticity. So between that time when water is added to when it completely lost its plasticity, that between time is known as the final setting time of cement. So if you want the initial setting time, final setting time, and the initial setting time and final setting time for the ordinary Portland cement, so already I have did that video in previously. So I'll attach that end of this video. You can watch that also, so that you'll be knowing the definition of the initial setting time, final setting time of the cement. So see here, this is the Vickett apparatus. So already I have explained this in initial setting time, the previous video. So this is the Vickett apparatus. So this is the glass plate and this is the plunger, and to this plunger needle is going to be attached. So this is the mold, and these are the annulars or needles, and this is the movable rod. So this we have used for initial setting time, right? So now which needle we are going to use for final setting time? So this needle we are going to use for final setting time of cement. So I'll show this view properly in the next slide. So this needle we are going to use to find out the final setting time of cement. So whereas initial setting time of cement we have already used this needle, right? So this is the needle or annular what we are going to be used to find the final setting time of cement. So see here, this one. So this is enlarged view. This needle is nothing but this one. So see here. So this is having the 5 mm dia, and which is having 1 mm needle in between, and that needle is extended outside 0.5 mm. So this needle, the bottom shape, so this here it is enlarged shape is there, right? So that one. So this is the 5 mm diameter, and this is 1 mm in between that 1 mm needle, so which is extended outwards to 0.5 mm. So this is the needle what we are going to find out the final setting time of cement. So if you want to see this view, enlarged view is here. So this is 5 mm and in between 1 mm. So this Vickett apparatus, and these are the indicators. So this one here. Yes. So coming to the preparation of test block. So preparation of test block same as it is how we have prepared for the initial setting time of cement. So again I am saying it. So prepare a neat cement paste by gauging 300 grams of cement. So we need to take the 300 grams of cement, and to that cement we need to add the water, right? So how much we need to add? 0.85 times the water required for given a paste of standard consistency. So normal consistency, standard consistency, that test we will use the amount of water, right? So that amount of water into 0.85. So whatever amount is required to find out the normal consistency of cement or standard consistency of cement, so that amount of water into 0.85 will give the amount of water required for this sample. So we need to take 300 grams of cement and we need to add the water to it, 0.85 into standard consistency water required, and then the water we need to use is potable or distilled water shall be used in preparing the paste. So the paste shall be gauged in the manner and under the condition prescribed in determination of consistency of standard cement paste, which means we need to maintain proper gauging time. What is meant by gauging time? Gauging time is the time when we have added water to the cement, when we are start mixing it to that state to when we are placing it into the mold. So after placing into the mold, before starting the experiment, so that time, between time, is known as the gauging time. So we need to maintain a proper gauging time, not less than 3 minutes or not more than 5 minutes. So it should be in between 3 to 5 minutes. We need to mix the sample and we need to place into the mold. So complete that process is nothing but the gauging time. So we need to gauge the paste shall be gauged in the manner and under the condition prescribed in determination of consistency of standard cement paste. So we need to follow that proper gauging time. So then after placing into the mold, what we need to do? We need to make sure the needle is fixed to the plunger, and then whatever needle we are using for the final setting time, that needle should be fixed to the plunger, and then we should make sure that the bottom of the needle is touching to the top of the mold. So we need to start the stopwatch. So when we need to start a stopwatch at the instant when water is added to the cement, because our initial setting time or final setting time, the starting point is what? When we have added water to the cement. So that stage we need to start the stopwatch. So when we need to stop, we'll see that. So fill the mold with the cement paste gauged as above the mold resting on a non-porous plate. So fill the mold completely and smooth off the surface of the paste, making it level with the top of the mold, and the cement block thus prepared in the mold is the test block. So let me show here. So we need to place this here. So after placing that, we need to place the mold. So mold should be filled with the cement paste. Then if excess amount is there, strike off it and complete this assembly. Place here and make sure the needle is attached to this plunger and it is touching the top of the mold, right? So then we need to start the experiment. So what we need to do? So after replacing the needles of Vickett apparatus, that is the needle what I have shown, the 5 mm, and which is having the 1 mm in between, which is enlarged outside 0.5 mm. So that needle. So the cement shall be considered as final set. When we need to consider it as a final set? When upon applying the needle gently to the surface of the test block, the needle makes an impression thereon while the attachment fails to do so. So the period elapsed between the time when water is added to the cement and the time at which the needle makes an impression on the surface of test block while the attachment fails to do so shall be the final setting time. So let me show here with this. So we are going to place here, right? So after that, what we are going to do, we need to remove this holder, so that mobile rod will be moving into this mold, right? So moving into this mold. So when it is moving into this mold, what will happen in the starting stage? It will completely penetrate into this mold. So this will be completely penetrate into the mold. So slowly when time is passing on, it will be not directly penetrating into the mold. So slowly it is hardening. the cement paste is getting hardening. So when we need to stop this experiment means when this needle impression is seen on the paste top of this mold. So when it will be shown when it is not penetrating into the mold, so it will give the impression on it, right? So when it is not penetrating into the mold, it will be giving the impression when it becomes hard. So when it becomes hard, it will give the indication, this mark it will be given on the top of the mold, so which is on the top of the cement paste. So at that time we need to stop the experiment. So that time, the time between when water is added to the cement and the time at which the needle makes an impression on the surface of the test block while the attachment fails to do so shall be the final setting time. So that time between these two is noted as the final setting time of cement. So if you want detailed information about the preparation of the test block, already I have explained that in initial setting time of cement, so you can watch that. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Civil Ka Adda 1M and share to your friends. Thank you.